Once again, a huge round of applause by CNBC Awards in July 2023. Recognized with the Best Research Analyst Award from exchanges, industry associations, and media channels, his expertise spans a multitude of financial realms. Mr. Gupta also serves as a guest professor in BE Institute Limited, where he imparts his knowledge on tracking equity, commodity, forex, money market, asset class, and various other financial.
Good afternoon, all of you. So first of all, thanks to Sandeep ji and INCOG for inviting me at that moment where we have seen, the market on a lifetime high. Today, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, we have seen that gold is touched the high of almost 64,000. So all the asset class are on a positive way. So in that sense, generally, newcomers who didn't invested in the market, so they are seeing the market just as a liquidity place where you can park your money. So in that moment, which topic gave me by the association, that is on the common mistake by the investors. So when we talk about the common mistakes, the first thing for the investor is the greed. Whenever we talk about the investment, everybody looking towards the returns. Suppose if I invest in stock market or any other place, so people are asking about the returns. How much return you will give me? Whenever you talk about any businesses or any investment, or even if you invest in any real estate property, so your question is that how much return I will get from this investment, or how much return you will give to me in this particular span of time. So this financial market where there is a no promise, right? There is a no guarantee of 1 hour. So there is a no guarantee of the return, and there is a no percentage where you can get. My suggestion for that newcomers or who are not investing in the market or who are looking to invest in this market is to avoid the greed. If you see, the exchange turnover increased significantly, almost $4 trillion. So in this $4 trillion, we have noticed that almost 80% volume comes from the option and future trading, and 20% comes from only on the delivery side, which was earlier 80% comes from the delivery and 20% from the options and futures side. So now this scale has been shifted from delivery to option trading. So people are looking this option and future platform or option and future product as a speculative part. So I would like to say that this is not a speculative product, but this is the product of the knowledge. Many people are starting investing in trading in future and options by the virtue of their own or by the social media influencer. So future and options product are the product where you required a knowledge, you required a awareness of the financial product, because future and options product are product which is it's a totally blind game, where if you don't have a knowledge for the future and options, then you cannot able to trade in the future and options. So as I saw the statement by the SEBI that 99% almost traders lose the money in the future and options. So future and option is a product where if you want to earn, then you should have the knowledge of the future and options where traders are actually burn their hands. But if you have a knowledge, if you have an awareness of the product, then you can easily make the money, because this product is a very easy product if you see in that manner where you have a knowledge. So this is again a part that this financial market requires a knowledge, and this requires awareness of the product which they are dealing with us. Right now, SEBI tightened the many rules that you cannot offer any liquid or any margin to the customers. So earlier people are used to take a leverage of 10 times, 20 times, 40 times. But now there is a ban by the SEBI, or you can say the break by the SEBI, that you can't take the leverage. So this is not a leverage market, because market is already leverage. Because let's say example, if you are dealing with a gold, 1 kg gold contract price is almost 62 lakhs, where you have to put only 6 lakh rupees margin to buy a 1 kg contract. So market is already leverage. So if you want to come in the market, so come with full confidence, come with full money where you want to invest, or at least invest in with a good pace, means with a good volume or with a full money, without any liquidity, because market is already liquidated. So if you are come with any margin, or if you are looking this market as a liquidate, means you will give a margin. So I think there is not a place to for trade for you. So if you are coming in this market, you come with a full money, and the money, the point of the investment money is, you just calculate your net worth and just invest only 10% of your net worth. Means if you have a, suppose your net worth is 1 lakh rupees. So if you want to come, if you don't have knowledge about the product, you just stop in the market. If you have a research analyst, this is the everybody like to go with MBBS doctor, not Jula Chap doctor. So right now the MBBS and trade with only the SEBI registered broker. Sometimes people are fascinating about the dabba trading kind of thing. So avoid this dabba trading. This is the again a problem, because some dabba traders are offering guaranteed return, that will give you a guaranteed return 6%, 7% in a week or in a month. So that is all bogus. You can just invest with the SEBI registered broker with SEBI registered research analyst. So these are the 4 points which you have keep in mind while investing in the stock market, because stock market right now, fascinating all the persons. Even if you see 12th class student has a demat account, they are trading in their father's account, because market is very liquidative. People are seeing that stock market is a very easy place to earn the money. Yes, definitely it's a very easy place to earn the money, but with knowledge, proper guidance, and with the proper investment methodology. Thank you very much.
Now we would like to felicitate our representative from the Bombay Stock Exchange, Jasdeep Singh Kohli ji. And for that I would request Shilpi Yadav ma'am and CA Vipin Agrawal sir to please felicitate Shri Jasdeep Singh Kohli ji. Jasjeet Singh Kohli ji. We'll felicitate our esteemed speaker, Shri Anuj Gupta, and for that I would like to call upon Shri Ankur Jain ji and Jagbandhu Kar ji to felicitate Shri Anuj Gupta ji. Next, we would be felicitating our esteemed speaker, Santosh Pant ji, and for that I would request Rahul and Shivani Gupta to please come forward. Next, we would like to felicitate R.C. Gupta sir, and for that I would like to request Rohan Sharma ji and Sandhya Tripathi ji to please come forward and felicitate R.C. Gupta sir. Now we would be felicitating our esteemed speaker Sanjay Kakhar sir, and for that I would like to call upon Rajiv Banerjee sir and Rakesh Chaudhary ji. Please come forward and felicitate Kakhar sir. A huge round of applause. Now it's time to honor Shri Sangam Kumar Agrawal ji, and for that we would like to call upon Ujjwal Datta ji and Jeevan Chandra ji to please felicitate Sangam Kumar Agrawal ji. And now we would be felicitating our beloved P.K. Sabharwal ji. And for that, I would like to call Jagdish sir, Dharmendra sir, and C.A. Sunita Dalal ma'am to please come up forward and felicitate Sabharwal ji.
Harinder Pass India ke aa jao. Part of my family member is here. So I will actually बड़े दिनों बाद कोई फैमिली मेंबर सामने बैठा था पर मेरी स्पीच उनसे पहले हो गई.
A round of applause, everyone.
और ये मेरा भैया का
इन्होंने फैमिली का मेरे दूर है
So with that, we are done with the first session. We'll begin the next session in just a minute. Thank you so much, everyone.